Firearms can be an expensive hobby, but it doesn't have to be. Believe it or not, there are plenty of budget firearms out there that can satisfy even the pickiest of shooters without breaking the bank. These budget firearms may not have all the bells and whistles of their pricier counterparts, but they still offer reliable performance, ease of use, and affordability. For those looking to get started in the shooting world, these budget firearms can be a great place to start. They allow for low-cost entry into the hobby, allowing new shooters to develop their skills without spending thousands of dollars. Budget firearms aren't just for beginners. Experienced shooters often keep budget weapons in their arsenal for training, backup, or recreational use. While they may be a good place to start, finding one that's also efficient can be daunting. To simplify it, we'll give you a list of the top 10 budget firearms for beginners. Game? Then subscribe to this channel and let's get rolling. When it comes to budget firearms, the Ruger LCP is hard to beat. With a suggested retail price of around $300, this pocket-sized pistol is one of the most affordable options on the market. The Ruger LCP packs a punch that belies its diminutive size. This lightweight 380 ACP can deliver fast, accurate shots at close range, making it a reliable choice for self-defense or concealed carry. The Ruger LCP's low cost and small size make it popular among gun owners who want a reliable backup weapon or a primary carry pistol for everyday use. If you're looking for a slightly larger and more powerful budget firearm, the kahr CW9 is an excellent choice. Priced at around $400, the kahr CW9 offers a combination of affordability and performance that's hard to beat. The kahr CW9 is known for its smooth single-action trigger and slim profile, making it a great choice for those with smaller hands or prefer a more concealable weapon. The kahr CW9 weighs just under 19 ounces unloaded, which is impressively light for a polymer-framed handgun. This lightweight makes the CW9 an excellent choice for concealed carry, as it can easily be tucked away in a pocket or a small holster without weighing you down. And thanks to its light recoil, the CW9 is comfortable to shoot even for those with smaller hands or less experience with firearms. The Taurus PT11 G2 is another budget pistol that offers impressive features and performance at a surprisingly low price. With a suggested retail price of around $300, it's a great choice for those on a budget who want a reliable and versatile handgun. The PT11 G2 is chambered in 9mm, which makes it a popular choice for self-defense and concealed carry. The Taurus PT11 G2 has features often found in more expensive pistols, making it an excellent value for budget-conscious shooters. One of the most notable features is the PT11 G2's adjustable 3-dot sights, which provide precise aiming and easy acquisition of targets. At around $400, this 9mm pistol offers Ruger's legendary reliability and accuracy at a price that won't break the bank. With its compact, comfortable grip and lightweight design, the Security 9 is a great choice for everything from home defense to concealed carry. The Ruger Security 9 is a highly versatile pistol that can serve various purposes. Whether you're looking for a reliable home defense weapon, a comfortable concealed carry gun, or a budget-friendly target shooting pistol, the Security 9 delivers. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy to carry and conceal. At the same time, its ergonomic grip and textured grip panels provide a comfortable and secure hold even in high-stress situations. If budget friendliness is your top priority, look no further than the Glock 43. Priced at around $500, it offers the reliability and performance you'd expect from a Glock at a price that won't break the bank. This single-stack 9mm pistol is known for its compact size and lightweight design, making it an excellent choice for concealed carry. But what makes the Glock 43 a budget standout is its Glock-patented safe-action trigger system, which provides a consistent trigger pull perfect for beginners and experienced shooters alike. The Glock 43 Safe Action Trigger System is designed to provide a safe and reliable shooting experience. Its simple, consistent pull doesn't vary from shot to shot. We know that you're already amazed by some of our selections, and one way to let us know that you're enjoying the video is to like it. So go ahead and let's continue. If you're looking for a budget revolver that can compete with the competition, the Ruger SP101 is a solid choice. Priced at around $500, it offers rugged reliability, versatility, and impressive accuracy in a small, lightweight package. The SP101 is chambered in .38 Special 357 Magnum, which makes it a versatile choice for self-defense, hunting, or even competition shooting. The Ruger SP101's all-steel construction makes it one of the most durable revolvers on the market. While many budget handguns are made with polymer frames and light alloy parts, the SP101 is built to last with a solid frame and barrel that can withstand years of use and abuse. The Smith & Wesson JFrame is more than just a budget revolver, with a price ranging from $539 above, depending on the caliber. It's a legend in its own right. Designed as a compact, lightweight revolver for concealed carry, the JFrame has stood the test of time with a design that's remained unchanged for over 50 years. It's also a highly reliable and accurate revolver with a smooth double-action trigger and a lightweight frame that's easy to carry all day. One of the defining features of the Smith & Wesson JFrame is its weight. Weighing just 14 ounces unloaded, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to conceal even in the tightest clothing. Here's a little tip. When shopping for a budget firearm, don't skimp on quality. While it's tempting to go for the cheapest option, you'll get what you pay for when it comes to guns. Investing in a quality firearm, even at a budget price point, can save you money in the long run, as you won't need to replace or repair a poorly made weapon. And don't forget about accessories and ammunition. While the gun itself is important, it's equally important to invest in quality sights, holsters, and ammunition to ensure the best performance from your firearm. The Taurus G2C is a true workhorse in the budget firearms world. Priced at around $200, it offers a staggering amount of features and performance for its cost, making it an excellent choice for those on a budget. The G2C is a reliable and accurate pistol with a durable polymer frame, textured grip, and an impressive 12+1 capacity in 9mm. The Taurus G2C's ergonomic grip and textured panels provide a secure hold even in stressful situations. This is particularly important for those new to shooting or with small hands, as a comfortable grip can make a huge difference in accuracy and recoil management. The sauer P365 is a compact 9mm pistol that packs a lot of punch for its small size. Priced at around $500, the P365 offers an impressive 10+1 capacity in a small, lightweight frame that's easy to conceal and carry. Featuring a unique striker fire design and a nitron-coated stainless steel slide, the P365 is a modern marvel of firearms engineering. It provides a comfortable and intuitive shooting experience that's perfect for both new and experienced shooters. The Smith & Wesson SD9VE is a budget-friendly line of 9mm and 40 S&W pistols, offering impressive features at a low price point. Priced at around $350, these pistols offer everything from ambidextrous controls to a reversible backstrap that can be adjusted to fit different hand sizes. These pistols are known for their reliability and accuracy. Their triggers are crisp and light, yet offer a long, deliberate pull for safety and precision. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. And let's not forget to leave a comment below and share your thoughts on budget firearms. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.